Hi, this is Maria. Today's tutorial is about dot painting. Last time I showed you how to make a mandala with dot painting, and of course there will be a series of mandala dot painting videos that will be posted in the future. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy scenery using the dot painting technique. So for this you will need a very small square because we are still training. You don't necessarily have to have the wooden piece that I'm using right here, but the sizes that you need will be around 15 by 15, either a square canvas or a square black cardboard. If it is a canvas, then you have to paint it in black. You also need a pencil, a ruler, a compass, and of course the dot painting tools from all sizes if possible. If you don't have these, then there's the dot painting sticks with different sizes as well. And we need different shades of acrylic paint. Here, as you see, I have different shades of red and orange, yellow and white, and I have 3 different shades of blue that I have mixed myself. These are acrylic paint. Okay? The first step is to divide this square into 3 equal parts. Here I have around 11 centimeters. Okay, then I will trace a line on the 7 centimeters. For this part here, I will color it with blue. Always clean your brush. You can remove the excess of paint with a tissue and then you can dip it in water. Okay. Now I have paint on my hand, but it's okay. You can just wipe them off. Acrylic is washable. I'm going to leave this part to dry and I'm going to start preparing for the sun. Okay, so I need a number of circles. They will be semicircles. Okay, I'm going to try to take the center of this square. It doesn't necessarily have to be exactly the center. I'm going to start by tracing circles randomly, no particular sizes, but try to make the circles close to each other. Okay, so as I showed you in the first tutorial, we have different sizes of tips. Okay, so how to know which to use? It depends on the size of the circle that you want on your painting.